A core advantage of Hengde equipment, flexible customable hence 100,000 -10 million equipment, is intelligently manually on demand. Accurately matching for budget, intelligent adjustment in one-click switching of full-size cutting, and the efficiency of changing shapes is increased by 6 times. CNC intelligent manufact visual operation, reduces 60% of power, and female workers can also easily control it. Precision cutting 1.75 mm ultra-narrow saw seam from 3 to 5 mm in the industry, tolerance within 1 mm, zero waste. Production 97% raw material utilization rate, saving 500,000 costs annually. Energy saving revolution single. Machine saves 800 yuan per day. Traditional equipment consumes 10 times more energy. All-round processing brick, board, stone, wood. Cutting with one machine. Compatible with 32 kinds of building materials. Multi-effect production line. 12-month payback. Transformation cost directly. Reduce fee 70%.